Welcome to IndianMoney.com YouTube channel. For free, unbiased and expert money advice, subscribe to IndianMoney.com YouTube channel now and hit the bell icon to receive regular notifications. How much to spend on a car? This is a very common question, in every home. Husband will say, I have to buy that new car. I have to buy this recently launched car. I have to buy that luxury car. I have to buy this car with 6 airbags. I have to buy that car with, rear AC. These are very common. But then, how much to really spend on a car? Today what is happening? Banks are willing to lend you money. Does it mean that you can go ahead and spend any amount on a car? For example, if your annual income is 10 lakh rupee and if you purchase a 20 lakh rupee car, is that right? Banks may offer you 20 lakh rupee loan, but is that okay? Is that all right? Let's check a evaluation. So as per a thumb rule, remember this forever. You are not supposed to spend more than 1 year's annual income on your car, which means the total investment you make in a car should not be more than your 1 year's annual income. Which means if your annual income is 10 lakh, your car should be valued less than 10 lakh. You are not supposed to buy a car which is valued more than that. What is the purpose of it? See, car is not everything about your life. Car is a part of your life. Car is actually considered as a luxury than a need. If you invest 10 lakh rupee, if it is more than 1 year's annual income, then what happens? The chances of you getting into debt trap or a loan trap is very high. If you once get into loan trap, forever you will not come out. So it's important that you understand the fact that it is not wise to spend more than 1 year's income on a car. So now, how about down payment? How much to pay as down payment? Please make sure that you pay at least 25 to 30% of the value of the car through down payment. There are plans, loan offers running in the bank. There are chances that your showroom guy will say, hey, I will get you 100% loan on the ex-showroom. In such cases, avoid as much as possible. Even on ex-showroom, at least 15 to 20% down payment you should make. Otherwise, the chances of you getting into debt trap is very high. See, if you don't even have money to pay 20% of the car, then why do you really need the car? You have to understand this. If you don't have that 2 lakh rupee as the down payment to buy a 10 lakh rupee car, which means you never had that extra earning. Now how are you going to pay the EMI? Think about it. If you are buying a 10 lakh rupee car and 8 lakh rupee loan, your EMI will come to, even if you go for 5-year loan, your EMI will be nothing less than 20,000 rupee. If you never had a chance to save 2 lakh rupee, how are you going to pay this 20,000 rupee every month? It's not going to happen. So it is important that you cut down your investment on a car, and you have to put a limit that I will not spend more than 1 year income on a car. Please follow this. I will assure you that you will not get into debt trap in the future. Thank you. Be wise, get rich.